Sabaydi, hello everybody, welcome to Naly Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a salty egg. You know why? In Asian people, they eat a salty egg. The way I do today, I don't make really salty. I do really simple. The salty egg, when sometimes we don't have a lot of food. Our hometown is from the back there is really poor. And sometimes summertime we don't have a lot of food, we eat a salty egg. One egg we can eat like 2 people and 3 people. You know why? Because it's salty. That's why we cannot eat a lot. Have a one sticky rice and we can dip in there. Sometimes one egg is not still have leftover because you know why? It's salty. Don't laugh at me, okay? Now I'm gonna show you. I have some half part of the water that okay. I'm gonna boil the salt. I'm gonna add like almost bowl of these, okay? I'm gonna boil until the everything dissolve. Then I'm gonna turn off and make until everything cool down. And I'm gonna add to the egg. Alright guys, follow me if you wanna know how I make salty egg. If you wanna try, follow Naly Kitchen, okay? Okay, the salt is boiling now and I'm gonna turn off the heat. And after this salt water is cooled down and I'm gonna add to the egg. Okay, now พี่น้องมื้อนี้อันจำได้บอกหมู่บ้านนี่อันสิเฮ็ดI'm gonna make a salty egg. Today I have a 2 jar. Both is pickle jar. It's okay if you don't have any jar, it's fine. But a pickle jar is okay. But I don't know how many egg I can carry in here. The first thing I'm gonna add some salt water first. Okay. I'm gonna add egg to the then I'm gonna cover with the lid, okay? And another one, I can add egg first. Then add the water. You know, you see that it's small, really small jar like this. Add, you can add too many, like more than like 10. Yeah, this one is really perfect. Okay. After the cover with the lid. Same. Clean this one. Is salty egg really sticky. We got 2 jars of the salty egg. I'm gonna leave in here 15 days. Alright guys, see you 15 days. In 15 days I'm gonna show you how to what kind of salty egg it look like, okay? Salty. Right guys, I'm gonna leave in the jar for 15 days. It's not too salty แล้วมันก็บ่เข้มหลายหั้นนะป้าไว้15 มื้อ If you leave longer than that, it's really salty. Okay? And 15 days is perfect to eat. And see you in 15 days, okay? Start from today. Okay, now it's been 15 days for my salty egg. I'm gonna boil and I'm gonna show you how it go, okay? 15 days is not too salty. It's perfect. Oh, I'm gonna boil like 5. I want to boil a lot. Nobody gonna eat. See, I boil for 15 minutes. The rest I gonna soak in here, okay? If you don't eat fast, the egg more salty. The egg is ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat, everybody, and make until the egg cool down. I'm gonna show you how inside salty egg. You don't open them, okay? You cut them, break half like this. You see the inside? It turned out like this. That means it's salty. Let me try. Perfect. Not too salty. It's not too, I like only egg yolk because it's really good. Like that. Hey, พี่น้อง มีไข่เค็มเด้อ ตัวนี้มันคือสิเป็นสั้นเทิงมัน on top it's not too salty but it's perfect. It's perfect. Alright guys, this is the salty egg. It's ready to eat. If you wanna try some at home, please do. Easy and quickly and better than you buy outside, okay? That home make always the best. If you like to try some at home, please do. Let me know how it turned out for you. And please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe, and thumb up for me. If egg yolk turn out like this, that means it's ready to eat. Wow guys, it's really good. Eat with sticky rice. This one is not too salty. Okay to eat, but this one little bit salty, more than you respect to. Alright guys, follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe, thumb up for me. See you next video guys. Bye bye.